the chapter 4 of class 3, that is I love my India. And what is the name of chapter? That is I love my India. And from which subject? That is social science. Clear? Now what we have learned previously? We have learned previously about India. So what about India? That India is a very big country and it lies in which continent? That is Asia. So Asia is the largest continent in the world. And India, what is the ranking of India in the world? That is, India is the 7th largest country in terms of size and area. And India is the 2nd largest country in terms of population. So, in terms of population, it is the 2nd largest country of the world. And in terms of area, so it is the 7th largest country of the world. So, and what we learn about? We have learned about India is surrounded by the water bodies. So, what are the water bodies? The India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west, and in the south there is Indian Ocean. And what we read? That we read that there are 28 states in our country. So how many states? There are 28 states in our country. So what do you understand by the state? State means India is divided into small parts, that is called the states. Okay? So how many states? Presently there are 28 states, but previously how many states were there? There were 29 states, and the 29th state, the new state, what's its name? That is the Telangana, is the 29th state of our country India. Okay, and on 2nd June 2014, the Telangana, which is the 29th state of India. But now at present time, how many states are there? There are only 28 states in our country. Then what we learn? That in India, people speak different language. People, they follow different customs. They have their food habits is also different. So in India, the different type of peoples, and they follow different religion, like some are Chinese, some are Buddhist, some are Hindus, Muslim. So the people, they follow different religions. Okay, so all live in our country, that is India. So this very big country, and it has 228 states in our country, and these states is governed by, that is the government. What is the work of the government? Is to ensure and to welfare the people, means to, what is the work? To maintain law and order. So what is the work of government? That to maintain law and order in our country. That was the work of government. And in India, their government is the government, that is the 2 types of government, that is central government and state government. That is central government and state government. So what do you know about the central government? Central government means the central government that works to make law. To make law. इसका क्या वर्क है? To make laws for the entire country. for the entire country. So the first point is the central government works that to make law for the entire country. Law means that kanun, okay, to make law for the entire country. And its office in where? Its office in Delhi. And Delhi is our India's capital. It is the capital of India. And the Delhi, the residence of president, that is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, from where the Rashtrapati Bhavan? That is Rashtrapati Bhavan. It also in Delhi. And in Rashtrapati Bhavan, it has more than 300 rooms. And who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? That is the President of India. It is the residence of President of India. Okay. So Rashtrapati Bhavan is the residence of President of India, and in this Rashtrapati Bhavan it has more than 300 rooms. And US President. So what was the name of US President? Yes, that is the Donald Trump. And its residence, yes, what is the name of the residence of President in US? That is White House. Okay, so White House is the residence, and who lives there? The President of US. And who is the President of US? That is the Donald Trump. And who is the President of India? That is Shri Ram Nath Kovind. Okay, so who is? That is Shri Ram Nath Kovind. And who was the first President of India? That Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Who was the first President of India? That Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Okay, and there are two types of government in our country. There are two types of government in our country. That is the central government and the state government. If we talk about the central government, अगर हम किसकी बात करेंगे? Central government की. The central government, what was the work of central government? That to make law for the entire country. And its office, its main office is in where? In Delhi. Okay. Where the President of India, the Vice President of India, the Prime Minister of India, and some others minister live in where? In New Delhi. So New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. And what is the name of our present president? That is Shri Ram Nath Kovind. And what was the name of first president? If we talk about the first president, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. That is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Now, and our country became where? Yes, India. Our country, that is India, became independent on our country India became independent Independence Day. Independence Day means स्वतंत्रता दिवस. Okay. So why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August 1947? Because before 1947 means 1947 के पहले, okay, our country was not free. Okay, हमारी country free, उनको freedom नहीं था. Our country was not free. It is ruled by another country, that is Great Britain. इसमें किस country का rule था? That is Great Britain. Okay. So before 1947, our country was not free and it was ruled by Great Britain. बहुत जो Britishers थे. Okay. So they ruled our country before 1947 and our freedom fighters, that was the Bhagat Singh, okay, and the Rani Lakshmibai and many more freedom fighters, they sacrificed their life to gain the freedom. Okay, so our country, it was ruled by which another country? That is Great Britain. Okay, if we talk about before 1947, अगर हम बात करेंगे कि 1947 के पहले हमारी कंट्री में किस दूसरी कंट्री का रूल था, किसका था? दैट इज द ग्रेट ब्रिटेन. Now we will learn about the state government. It is the state government. So it is difficult for the central government to solve the problems of all the people. So therefore each state elects its own government. It is called the state government. So what is the state government? Now before what we learn about? We have learned about the central government. So it is difficult for central government to govern the whole country at a time. So India is divided into the small parts, that is called the state, and each state has government, and each state have CM. CM means what? The chief ministers. Okay, and some other ministers to govern this particular state. Okay, so why we need state government? Why we need state government? Because it is difficult. It is difficult for the central government to solve all problems of people. To solve problems of, that is, people. So we need state government. Why we need? We need this state government, and state elects its government. In center, who govern? Now who elect this? government. Now, what do you mean by the state government? Yes, why we need state government? Because in India there are two types of government, that is the central government and the state government. First, central government. Central government, what was the work of the central government? That to maintain, to make laws for the entire, country. ओके, इनका काम क्या है कि लॉ को बनाना. ओके, टू मेक लॉ फॉर द एंटायर कंट्री. एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. व्हाट इज इट डिफिकल्ट? दैट टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द पीपल. मीन्स लोगों की जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको सॉल्व करना वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. किसके लिए? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए. बिकॉज इंडिया इज वेरी बिग कंट्री. ओके, so to maintain the whole country, so we need the state government. हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ी फिर? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की. and the state that each state elects its own government. Suppose each state means in Madhya Pradesh, if we talk about, for example, in Madhya Pradesh elects CM. Okay, that is CM means the chief minister. So who is the chief minister? Who is the present chief minister? That is, yes, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the chief minister of our state. Which state we live in? That is Madhya Pradesh. हम किस स्टेट में रहते हैं? हम मध्य प्रदेश में रहते हैं. So who govern our state? इसको हमारी जो स्टेट में कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है? That is BJP. and is the CM. Who is the CM of our state? That is Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the present CM, means the chief minister of our state. Okay. State government look after the welfare of the people, okay, living in the state. So what is the work of the state government? To look after the welfare of people that living in state, जो कि स्टेट में रहते हैं. ओके, सो what is the work of state government? The work of state government is to look after the welfare of the people that living in state. Means जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है उनका क्या वर्क है कि जो ध्यान रखना, लुक आफ्टर किसको? जैसे हम किस स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं? हम मध्य प्रदेश से बिलोंग करते हैं. सो हमें कौन ध्यान देगा? लुक आफ्टर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल, जो लोगों की भलाई के बारे में देखना. सो हु वर्क्स? द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. सो दे in this government, the governor, the chief minister, and others minister and officers of the state that live and work in the state and its capital. So in central government, who lives and work? That is the president, the chief ministers, other ministers and some officers. Okay, they live and they work in state. ये कहाँ रहते हैं? ये स्टेट में रहते हैं और ये वहीं पर वर्क करते हैं। और ये जो पीपल है, जैसे द प्रेसिडेंट, द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड द अदर मिनिस्टर, दे लिव एंड वर्क इन where the head office is, it is in New Delhi. Okay, so this is the central government and this is the state government. What is state government? So the difference between the central government and the state government, that is the central government is to make law. What is the work? To make law. Okay. And what is the work of this state government? What is to look after the people. Okay, to look after the people and their welfare. What is the work? That look after the welfare of the people. People that live in a state, they live in a state. And that is central government. What is the work? To make law for entire country. To make law for entire country. So work. If we talk about the work means कार्य. So what is the work of central government? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का क्या वर्क है? डेट टू मेक लॉ फॉर एंटायर कंट्री. ये क्या बनाती है? लॉ बनाती है. डेट इज कानून. कि अभी पूरे कंट्री में जैसे बनाया था, क्या बनाया था? लॉकडाउन है. सो हमारी पूरी कंट्री ने इसको क्या किया? फॉलो किया. जैसे हम उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में हम बाहर नहीं निकले और क्या था वहाँ पर? बहुत सारे फोर्सेस थे. अगर हम निकलते तो हमें कहाँ जाना पड़ता? यस, इट इज जो गवर्नमेंट है हमारी, उन्होंने बहुत सारे जो ऑफिसर्स हैं और जो पुलिस ऑफिसर्स हैं, वो हमें क्या करते हैं? बार बार वार्न करने आते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज द होल कंट्री हैज व्हाट? लॉक डाउन. सो व्हेनेवर इट इज नेसेसरी, so the central government, what is the work of the central government? That is to make law for the entire country. So the work of the central government is that to make law for the entire country. And what is the work of the state government? So state government का क्या work है? That to look after the welfare of the people that live in a state. Means लोगों की वेलफेयर का ध्यान रखना जो भी स्टेट में रहते हैं. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी लिव इन मध्य प्रदेश. वी लिव इन वेयर? इन मध्य प्रदेश. So this particular Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so what is the work of that state government? State government का क्या वर्क होगा? कि हमें जो मध्य प्रदेश की लोगों की ध्यान रखना. Okay, look after the welfare of the people. उनकी भलाई का ध्यान रखना. और जहाँ उनको लगता है गवर्नमेंट को कि हम यहाँ पर सेफ नहीं है, तो वो क्या रखते हैं? and some officers they live in the state and they work in the particular state. And in central government, who live and work? The president, the vice president, the prime minister and some other ministers they live and work in where? The main office of the central government, that is in New Delhi. So they live and work in this New Delhi. Here the main office are of central government. Or each state has government, that is called the state government. And how many states in our India? There are 28 states. Okay. So 28 states in our country. So एक स्टेट में क्या होगा? हर स्टेट में वहाँ पर चीफ मिनिस्टर होंगे, वहाँ के पर्टिकुलर गवर्नर होंगे and some other ministers होंगे. Okay, so they govern the entire state. Okay, ये सब क्या चलाते हैं? They govern the entire state. For example, like Madhya Pradesh, who is the CM, who is the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh, that is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Clear? Now children, we will meet in our next video.